I still think that the way Game of Thrones should end is that Tyrion Lannister walks out and gets on the subway at Westworld and you find that it was all a robot simulation.
Just don't give HBO.
How come I get that one?
Because he's been on the gin.
I'll tell you what, I hope I don't get this perfectly right.
Idiot.
What I actually said was, Avonmouth.
Indie rock and roll. You will, yeah. You should listen to the Chris Moyles breakfast show. I think you'd quite enjoy it. 6:30 till 10.
Australia, or a square kilometre array, and that's going to look so far back, so far out in space, that it will be able to see the first stars forming.
Right, I've got to play
Soundtrack to David's face.
We know where the universe came from. We know why we're here. We've done that. Right, the next step.
Good pity if you missed it.
Evolution, do you think?
Well, of course. Well,
the
species not going to. No species lasts a
but
billion
we've slightly
years.
stopped
Been around,
evolution.
haven't we?
No.
Well, no,
We
we
haven't.
haven't.
It's
No,
slightly stopped it a bit, hasn't it?
well, no, there's
right?
a bit of
No.
selective breeding, but we haven't stopped it.
We haven't stopped it completely, but as far as I understand it, for evolution to work completely naturally, you have to have a sense in which the competition to reproduce and to find food is unfettered.
Or
It's talked about how when he was under house arrest, that if I'd been looking at guarding him at that time, I would have dropped my liquid before bedtime. Right, and that is a joke about how obviously I wouldn't be wanting to go to the toilet in Oscar Pistorius.
that's random, and how could that be? You'll get exactly the right number of legs, and it's just they haven't quite understood the process.
When you choose
They're all kid. That's a
He will be so fast. Watch this. Right, everybody tweet at Dave Masterman and say,
Shall I lock him out, by the way?
yes. What should we get people to tweet Dave Masterman? Did you beat Testing?
we don't know this.
Yeah, I don't. You do? How are you actually with her? Well, when you met her,
We were working at the same. We were both working at the UK Club.
where did
Comedy Channel.
Indicating.
Lord, she's got such a lovely voice. Anyway, so thank you for listening. While you're here, can we just remind you about the Facebook page, the Chris Moore Show on Radio X Facebook page? So therefore, I should get first dibs on all this. Do you not think? I think you're the most famous Dominic Bird on planet Earth, on the whole of the planet of Earth.
I agree.
Do you think? Yes. Think of. Yeah, I can hear you going. Stop it. Just think I was rhyming with.
Surveys are. So let's meet our cat testers, shall we? First up on line 1, we have Rebecca. Hi, Rebecca.
What's it doing? Mate. He's really impatient. He's in a rush. Oh, he's really in a rush.
Lights just here, one colour, uniform lights, just a single ball. Dim it down so you can actually see the filament. Merry Christmas, study the filament.
Yeah, bloody deal, Gray. You want to get behind old Russ. Meanwhile, other residents were delighted with the revolution.
It's just a joke, like if you read it, it's like morning to number 2, you 2. So morning to you 2.
Alright, okay, that's fine. So
Shall I text him now?
text him now.
What shall I say?
Should we call him?
No, let's text him first.
Okay.
Okay, so that's fine.
Well, because he's the first one that we think of who would be available, and I wonder whether
I'm sure there are jobs that you've done where the work. You don't know what he's doing this very moment.
I have no idea what he's
What
doing.
if he's driving?
Well, then we can phone him and he can speak to us.
Yeah, but we don't know that.
We don't know that.
What if he's in the middle of? If he's in the middle of the,
No.
you know, the old.
What? What's that?
The old,
No.
What? What's
the old,
Tom, stop saying no, what's that?
the old,
So keep going.
What's that? I don't know what
you know what I'm saying?
I don't know what you're saying.
Is he, you know, doing
No, I said a lovely good afternoon, Keith. Hope you're well. It was about
Oh, well, there you go. There. If you're writing,
Keith, we were wondering if you might help us out with something on the show next week. It's really polite, not.
Girl. Oops. Sorry. I think they're doing a demo.
Is she doing a demo?
Maybe.
Oh,
so
can we
let's
tune in?
No.
Oh, come on.
I actually don't know how.
Oh, come on. We could put her demo on the actual podcast.
Yeah, that'd be great. How cool would that be?
Get our podcast listeners to rate.
I think that's frowned upon.
Do you know the guys? It's only a pint and a half.
Well, you know.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, but then, you know what? I've not even added up the calories because you're basically drinking lager and lemonade, and it's probably the same amount of calories as a beer.
Yeah, there's a lot of sugar.
Hey, oh, where's my hay?
Hey.
Thank you. So, yeah, I'm not here next week. Yes. I'm on duty.
Okay, baby.
Itching that ass. No.
How long was that?
15.
My ramp was 15.
Yeah? Now, the name of the station is Scablo. Stats. Well done.
He's got
Alright. Stand by. Oh, have you got a new DJ name?
Well, Russell, I just took, while you were saying that, I just took my temperature.